Toronto doo-wop music guy, Kevin and Janet. We're here at the Waterfront in Belleville. We're just watching an interesting meeting here between the Canada Geese and the Seagulls. We just had some pizza on the water. Very, very windy today. The boats are all out. Wednesday night is the night for the boats. But it's really interesting. Generally, the geese don't really like the seagulls, and the seagulls don't really like the geese. But they're all looking for food right now, something to eat. And we're not giving them any pizza, because once you give it to one, then they all come and they all want it. But it's really windy. It's a big dip in temperature compared to the water. The coolest evenings that we've had. We're just sitting right on the water here. Some more geese up there. A lot of nice picnic benches on the water here too. That's one of the nice things about Belleville. You can see the boats there in the distance, but there's a lot of them out tonight because it's windy. Really good for sailing. You can see we're surrounded by seagulls. Okay. Hi Janet, what are you doing? Oh, eating pizza. But you're not giving it to the seagulls. Good. Because once you give it, they'll want to eat it all. There's a little bit of the marina there. The bridge that goes over from Belleville, sort of the mainland, to the county. People out walking today because it's a nice cool evening. There's people out fishing too. People fishing. It's interesting, this year we didn't see that many Canada geese. They always used to be a lot down here. They moved around the area though. Looks like they're coming back to the waterfront here. There's a lot of other places for them to go. So they're just jogging past us. We always like to come down to the water here. It's fun seeing the sailboats. And a lot of people fish here too. You can see some down there, and then in the background, there's a lot of boat fishing. There are a lot of places that you can get your boats in the water here too, in this area. The geese here are often affectionately referred to as the cobra chickens, and I won't tell you what the seagulls here are referred to, but we know they get our car dirty all the time. But that's all part of nature. Some beautiful trees down here, some well-established trees. You can see how big they are. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little view of the waterfront, the geese and the seagulls and the joggers and everything else. It's nice to see the area being used. It's a little bit quiet, as I said, because it's a little cooler tonight, a little bit windier. But it's Toronto's doo-wop music guy. It's Kevin and Janet, and follow us for more